Welcome to our video featuring the ANDELI 220V MCT-520DPL 5-in-1 multiprocess welder that handles MIG, TIG, cut, cold, and MMA welding. This versatile machine supports MIG welding with CO2, mix, and flux gases, TIG welding with high-frequency start, and cold welding ideal for thin stainless steel and carbon steel without deformation or discoloration. It is perfect for welding ordinary thin steel, iron, stainless steel, and low-carbon steel, though not recommended for aluminum. The package includes everything you need like MIG, TIG, cut and MMA torches, ground clamp, gas pipe, air pressure regulator, tungsten electrodes, welding wires, gloves, and more. With CE certification, this welder promises safety and reliability for your projects. Plus, there is expert customer support ready to assist you with any issues. Experience professional quality and precision with this powerful multiprocess welding machine. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.